Next we are discussing wavy curve method. By using wavy curve method, we can solve algebraic inequalities. Other type of inequalities we will discuss later. First we are discussing wavy curve method. So to understand this one, we will take some examples. So first example is, first thing, this inequalities we will use for solving algebraic inequalities. Okay. So first example we are taking what? Suppose we have x square plus 6 is greater than 5x. Okay, this inequality we have to solve. So how to do? Okay, so first thing what you will do, this is LHS, this is RHS. So what you will do, one of the side you will make 0. Okay, so first thing is what that you have to remember, that in inequalities, make one of the side 0. Okay, in inequalities make one of the side 0, either left hand side or right hand side. So this is the inequalities. So first thing what you will do, this is LHS, this is RHS. So what you will do, we are making RHS 0. So how to make RHS 0? So what you will do, 5x you will take in this side. If you take 5x in left hand side, what will come? X square. This is plus 5x. So if you take this side, what will come? Minus 5x plus 6 is greater than 0. So first we are making one of the side is 0. So right hand side is what? 0. Next what we will do, this is what? Quadratic equation. So we can factorize this one. So if you factorize this one, what will come? X minus 2 into x minus 3 is greater than 0. So here, according to this inequality, what we can say that left hand side should be what? Positive. Okay, left hand side should be positive because left hand side should be greater than 0. So greater than 0 means what? This side should be positive. Okay. So how to find out when this is positive? So we have to find out x value when it is positive. So for that what we will do, we will draw number line. Okay, we will draw number line and we will find out when this will become 0. Okay, we will find out when this will become 0. Okay, so when this will become 0, if you put a 2 and if you put 3, it will become 0. And 2 and 3 is called critical point. 2 and 3 is called critical point. So what is critical point? Critical point. Okay, where the inequality become 0. Okay, where the inequality become 0. So where this is become 0, that we have to find out point. So here this is become 0 at 2 and 3. So we can say critical point is what? X equal to 2 and x equal to 3. At 2 and 3, LHS becomes 0. LHS is becoming 0. Okay, this we have to find out. So critical point is what? 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 we will draw on number line. So 2 will come here and 3 will come here. Next thing we have to check whether we want equal to 0 or not. So here you can see, here we want only greater than. This side should be greater than. This side should not be equal to 0. That means what? This point at 2, this is becoming 0. So we don't want equal to 0. So 2 is not included. So open circle will come. And if you put 3 also, this will become 0. And we don't want here equal to 0. So this is also open circle will come. Okay. So after that what you will do? Here 2 and 3 will divide this number line into 3 portions. First, second, third. Okay. This is first portion. This is second. This is third. Now what you will do? If I take any number greater than 3, okay, so you can take any number, suppose you are taking 4, okay, we are taking 4. So if you put 4 here, so 4 minus 2, this will come 2. So we can say this is positive. And if I take 4 minus 3, this will come 1. So this is also positive. Positive into positive is what? Positive. So if I put any number greater than 3, this product will come what? Positive. So here we will mention positive. Now if I take any number between 2 to 3, so 2 to 3 we can take what? 2.5. So if I put here 2.5 here, this will be positive, but this will be negative. 2.5 minus 3 is what? Minus 0.5. So positive into negative, what will come? Negative will come. That means if I take any number between 2 to 3, this product is coming what? Negative. So here we will mention negative. Next is what? Now if you take any number less than 2, suppose we are taking 1. So if you put 1 here, so it will become negative, and if you put 1 here, it will come negative. So negative into negative, what will come? Positive. That means if you take any number in this side, then also this product is coming positive. So here we will mention positive. Correct? Now after that, we want this side, left hand side should be positive. So where this left hand side is positive? At this side and this side. That means which portion is your solution? This portion and this portion. Correct? So how to write this one? Okay, so x belongs to what will come? You will start from minimum, so minus infinity will start till what will come? Till 2. You can see here 2 is not included, so here you write open bracket. Okay, now we have to include this portion also, so we have to take here union. Okay, now this portion what? 3 to infinity. Here 3 is not included, so what will write? Open bracket 3 until it will go till infinite, 3 comma infinite. So what is the solution of this inequality? That x belongs to minus infinity to 2, open interval, union, open interval 3 to infinite. This is your solution. Next we are discussing this example. This example is x minus 3 whole square into x plus 5 whole power 7 divided by x minus 1 to the power 5 is less than equal to 0. So this one we have to solve. So how to solve? So here you can see one of the side is already 0. Next thing we have to find a critical point. So in last problem we have only numerator, but here we have denominator. So for this equation, what is critical point? So for this one we are writing critical point is where numerator or denominator become 0, or we can say where this one become 0 or undefined, where equation become 0 or undefined. Okay, what is the meaning of undefined? If denominator is 0 and numerator is non-zero, then it will become infinite, so it is undefined. Or wherever denominator has become 0, it is undefined. So there are two possibilities there. One is numerator is also 0, denominator is also 0. So 0 by 0, this is also undefined, or some k divided by 0, this is also undefined. So what is critical point? Where this is become 0 or undefined. Okay, so when this will become 0, okay, at 3, minus 5 and 1. Okay, 3 if you put here, it will become 0. If I put minus 5, then this will become 0, and if I put 1, then this will become 0. So these three are critical points. Okay, these three are critical points. So these are critical point. Now from here what we can say? See, you just check inequalities. So here we want equal to 0. Here we want equal to 0. So if I put here 3, x equal to 3, then this will become what? 0. So x equal to 3 we want. Correct? Because we want equal to 0. Now if I put minus 5 here, then this will become 0. So x equal to minus 5 also we want. Next, if I put 1 here, so denominator becomes 0. That means this is undefined. So wherever the value will become undefined, then that x value is always not included. That means x should not be 1. Okay, now what you will do? Now we will draw number line. On number line, we will draw these three critical points, 1, 2, 3. So first we will draw minus 5. Minus 5 is what? We want x equal to minus 5. So here we will write solid circle because x equal to minus 5 we want. Now next what will come? X equal to what will come? 1 will come. And here x should not be 1. That means x value 1 not possible. So 1 at 1 we will write open circle because x equal to 1 is not possible. Okay, so here open circle meaning is what? X should not be 1. X should not be 1. Next is what? X equal to 3. So x equal to 3 will come here. And you can see x equal to 3 we want? Yes. So here we have to write solid circle. Now these three critical points, it will divide this number line into 4 sections. First, second, third and fourth. Now one by one we will start. Okay, so if you take any value greater than 3, and if you check, so if I take any value greater than 3, suppose you are taking 4, so this is positive, this is also positive, and this is also positive. That means positive into positive divided by positive. So this side what will come? Positive. Now if I take any value between 1 to 3, 1 to 3 we have 2. So if I put 2 here, so this is positive because square is there. This is also positive. And if I put 2 here, so this is also positive. So here will come what? Positive only. Next, x equal to 1 to minus 5 to 1. Minus 5 to 1. So minus 5 to 1, 0 will be there. Okay. So if you put 0 here, so this is positive because power is 2. Okay. This is also positive. But this will become what? 0 minus 1. Minus 1 power 5 is what? Negative. Okay. Minus 1 power 5 is what? Minus 1. So this is positive divided by negative. So ultimately this full section will come at negative. That means minus 5 to 1. What will come? Negative. Now if I take any value less than minus 5, suppose minus 6. So if you put minus 6, this is positive. Minus 6 plus 5. Minus 6 plus 5 is what? Minus 1 power 7. So this is negative. And if I put here minus 6 minus 7. Minus 7 power 5 is also negative. So positive, negative, negative. So what will come here? Positive into negative is what? Positive will come. So this side is what? Positive. Now this side what we want? This side should be what? Less than or equal to 0. Either this value should be what? Negative or 0. So we want this side should be negative or 0. So you can see where it is negative. In this portion it is negative. So this portion is your solution. Okay. This portion is positive. This portion is positive. This portion is positive. One more thing we have to take care that this has become 0. That also we want. Negative or 0 means what? We have to take here union. So you can see here this is positive. This is negative. So here minus 5 is included. So x belongs to closed interval minus 5. Till what will come? Till 1. At 1 is what? Open bracket. Okay. This is positive portion. So this is not included. X equal to 3. It will become 0. So 3 we have to include. And this side is positive, that is not included. So only this point we have to include. So how to write? Union. This one we have to write set 3. Okay. So this is a set of one element, that is 3. So what is x value? X belongs to minus 5 to 1 union 3. Now here one thing is very clear. See, this side is coming positive. And this side is also coming positive. Why it is coming positive? So here you see x equal to 3 is there. So if I take 3 this side, so what will come? X minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 3 we have to check. What is x minus 3? Here. If x minus 3 power is even. X minus 3 power is even. So if this side is positive, then this side also will come same sign. So whatever sign is here, same sign will repeat here also. Okay. So here if any factor x minus 3 power is what? Even. Okay. This factor power is what? Even. Then whatever sign will come in right hand side, same sign will come in left hand side of this point. Okay. Now if we check here x equal to 1. So x minus 1 equal to 0. Then you have to check x minus 1. Okay. So x minus 1 is there. This one power is what? Odd. This one power is odd. So what sign is here? Plus. Okay. Then sign we have to change. So here is positive, here will come negative. Why it is coming negative? So for that we have to check this factor x minus 1. So x minus 1 power is what? Odd. Then we have to change the sign. So right hand side is positive, then left hand side will come what? Negative sign. Similarly, this is what? X equal to minus 5. So this one we can write x equal to x plus 5 equal to 0. Then we have to check x plus 5. So x plus 5 is what? This one. This one power is what? Odd. Then right hand side value is what? Negative. And if you are coming left hand side of this point, then sign we have to change. Negative to coming positive. So this is clear that if this factor power is even, then whatever sign is there, same sign will repeat. And this factor power is what? X minus 1 power is odd. Then whatever sign will be here, opposite sign will come here. This point we have to remember.